Wonderful, the hotel is very new and nice. Best location. Hotel Ya, very near Kawagoe Station. It is easier to visit the old town zone by bus with one-day pass ticket. The hotel is among shopped area and restaurants. The most important is its cleanest and hospitality. New and clean. Right next to Junior Station. Parking 2,000 yen per night. You can unload your luggage after you enter car park. Most spacious couple room I had. Has covered walkway to the station. Eateries and malls within walking distance. Tobu one-day bus pass available at counter. Spacious toilet. Definitely enjoyed my stay at Kawagoe because of the hotel. Good location and nice hotel. This hotel located nearby train station and mall, surrounding with food and shopping. Decent hotel and spacious. Superb. I stayed 3 nights in January. Superb hotel, really impressed. Location is perfect, 1-minute walk to Kawagoe Station with lots around locally but also excellent express train access to Ikebukuro, 28 minutes. Chemist, coffee shops, restaurants directly underneath. Built recently so everything brand new. High-tech rooms, aircon, lighting etc., very modern, and clean. Comfortable bed. TVs have Netflix, Amazon Prime etc. Vending machines on every floor, ice, and affordable laundry. Most hotels charge a fortune. This machine was 500 yen. Staff were brilliant. It depends on timing I suppose, but it was not that expensive for me either. Very impressed. Will come back for sure. Near to station, very nice and clean room. Good, nice and clean hotel. Good, nice and clean hotel. Great stay again. The Kawagoe Tobu Hotel is a perfect location for a weekend in Kawagoe. It's centrally located and within walking distance to all of the major sightseeing locations. Restaurants and shops are located nearby, and the walk to the historic Taisho Roman Umidori and Toki no Kane are worth every step. We elected to choose the breakfast option, which was located in a quaint restaurant that made us feel we were in the Soho district of NYC. The rooms were well stocked with all of the amenities you typically find at most Japanese hotels, including your own sleepwear. Parking is an additional fee, so on this trip, we found that the private street parking lots were very reasonable. We parked overnight on a weekend and only paid 1,000 yen. The train station is located just steps from the hotel, which makes it convenient to travel to different areas, but again, we opted to walk everywhere and loved taking in the sights of the town. Would highly recommend this hotel as this was our second stay here, and would always book this hotel for its location, cleanliness, comfortability, and food options.